Oh, you be our chairman now overall. No.
Yeah. So I can wear insecurity. Insecurity, you are the only person that can address it. From my own assessment, I may be wrong.
I'm telling you.
That's the only person.
Even though that thing has failed.
I don't say.
It requires your force of character.
But I told them.
Yeah, you've done that so many times.
There'll be no insecurity when I'm out of this place. Then they know that. No insecurity whatsoever. Well, I condemn any manner of killing. The soldiers. Every manner of killing I condemn in its entirety. I want people to understand that. Because IPOB was founded on a non-violent principle. And we maintain that up until this very day. And everything, of course. And some of these soldiers, we are told, are also our people. Is that correct? Yes. And the family is now in mourning. Yes. So all the making of young widows is condemned in its entirety. I don't want it. I don't want anybody to die. Yes. We are fighting for freedom. Then how can we fight for death at the same time? It's not possible. We want people to be free. That's what we're fighting for. Nothing more. We've suffered a lot in Africa. I don't know if you know that. Africans have suffered from slavery in Arabia to slavery in Europe to slavery in America. So I think we should focus our time and devote it towards making sure that this continent stands up to what God promised it is going to be. And that's why we're doing what we are doing. Not the truncated version, but the whole thing. It's very important that you cover everything.